Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there, I'm Tom, and before we begin today,
I want to ask you something important.
very important,
Close your eyes for just 1 second.
think about your life right now.
What's one good thing in your life?
Just one thing you're happy to have.
Maybe it's a person. Maybe it's your health. Maybe it's something small.
Did you think of something?
That feeling you just had, that's gratitude.
And today we're talking about the power of gratitude.
I'm Lucy, and let's begin.
So, Lucy, what exactly is gratitude?
Gratitude is a beautiful word.
What does it mean?
It means being thankful for what you have,
Thankful for the good things in your life,
recognizing and appreciating them.
not taking them for granted.
Taking for granted means not noticing or appreciating something.
Like breathing. We don't think about it, but it's important.
Exactly. Gratitude is stopping and saying, I'm thankful for this.
Now, what can you be grateful for?
Big things and small things.
Big things like family, health, your home,
A job, education, safety.
but also small things.
A sunny day.
A good cup of coffee,
A smile from a stranger.
a comfortable bed.
Hot water for a shower.
These small things matter.
Sometimes the small things are the most important.
And here's something beautiful.
What's that?
Even when life is difficult, you can find something to be grateful for.
That's true.
Gratitude is available to everyone.
Rich or poor, young or old.
Everyone has something.
So, Tom, why is gratitude so powerful?
Great question. Let me tell you.
I'm listening.
Scientists have studied gratitude.
What did they discover?
Gratitude makes you happier.
Really?
Yes, it reduces stress and worry.
That's amazing.
It helps you sleep better.
I need that.
It improves your relationships.
With friends and family.
Yes, when you express gratitude to people, they feel valued.
And they treat you better too.
Exactly. It creates a positive cycle.
But how does it work?
Your brain focuses on what you think about.
What do you mean?
If you think about problems all day, you feel bad.
That makes sense.
But if you think about good things, you feel better.
So gratitude trains your brain.
Exactly. Like exercise for your mind.
I love that.
I have a student named Aisha.
Tell us about her.
Aisha came to me feeling stressed and unhappy.
Oh no.
She complained about many things: her job, the weather, her apartment.
She focused on problems.
Yes, so I taught her something simple.
What did you teach her?
Every night before bed, write 3 things you're grateful for.
3 things.
Just 3. Can be big or small.
Did she do it?
She did every single night for 1 month.
And what happened?
After 1 month, Aisha came to class smiling.
Really?
She told me, Tom, I feel so much happier.
That's wonderful.
She still had the same job, the same apartment, the same life.
But she felt different.
Yes, she noticed good things now, not just problems.
Her perspective changed.
Exactly. That's the power of gratitude.
So, how do we express gratitude in English?
Let's learn the phrases.
Pattern 1. I'm grateful for.
I'm grateful for my family.
I'm grateful for my health.
I'm grateful for this opportunity.
I'm grateful for good friends.
Simple and powerful.
Pattern 2. I'm thankful for.
I'm thankful for my job.
I'm thankful for this beautiful day.
I'm thankful for your help.
I'm thankful that I'm safe.
Grateful and thankful are very similar.
You can use either one.
Pattern 3. I appreciate.
This is slightly more formal.
I appreciate your kindness.
I appreciate your time.
I appreciate everything you do.
I appreciate this moment.
Beautiful.
Pattern 4. Thank you for.
This is direct. You say it to people.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for being patient.
Thank you for being in my life.
So meaningful.
You can also say other expressions.
Like what?
I'm so lucky to have you.
I feel blessed to be here.
I'm fortunate to have this job.
I value our friendship.
I don't take this for granted.
So many ways to express gratitude.
Now, how do you practice gratitude every day?
Let me share some simple methods.
Please.
Method 1. The 3 things exercise.
This is what Aisha did.
Every night before bed, think of 3 things you're grateful for today.
Can be big or small.
Say them out loud or write them down.
Takes only 2 minutes.
But it changes how you feel.
Method 2. Gratitude journal.
Keep a notebook by your bed.
Write what you're grateful for each night.
When you feel sad, read old entries.
It reminds you of good things.
Method 3. Express gratitude to others.
This is so important.
Thank one person each day.
Can be simple. Thank you for the coffee.
Or deeper, I appreciate your friendship.
Text, call, or say it in person.
This strengthens relationships.
I have a student named Henrik.
What happened with Henrik?
Henrik worked in a busy office.
Was he stressed?
Very stressed. And he had conflicts with coworkers.
That's difficult.
I taught him to say thank you. I appreciate your help more often.
Just this simple phrase.
Yes. Henrik started thanking colleagues for small things.
And what happened?
After a few weeks, the whole atmosphere changed.
Really?
People smiled at him more. They were friendlier.
Amazing.
His manager noticed his positive attitude.
So expressing gratitude improved his work life.
Completely. Just by saying thank you.
The power of gratitude.
Method 4. Morning gratitude moment.
When you wake up, Think of one good thing.
I'm grateful for a new day.
I'm thankful for my comfortable bed.
Start your day positively.
And method 5, gratitude at meals.
Before eating, pause for a moment.
I'm grateful for this food.
Appreciate the people who prepared it.
Common in many cultures.
Now, I want to talk about something important.
What's that?
Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring problems.
That's important to understand.
Life isn't always easy.
Everyone has difficulties.
You can have problems and be grateful at the same time.
Both can exist together.
It's not about toxic positivity.
Toxic positivity means forcing yourself to be happy when you're not.
That's not healthy.
Gratitude is different.
It's about finding small lights even in darkness.
Acknowledging good things alongside bad things.
For example, if you lost your job,
A very difficult situation.
you can say, "This is hard, but I am grateful for friends who support me."
Both feelings are real.
If you're sick, you can say, "I feel terrible, but I'm thankful for doctors and medicine."
If you're lonely, I feel lonely, but I'm grateful for this one kind person I met today.
Gratitude helps you cope with challenges.
It doesn't erase them, but it helps you handle them.
Small gratitudes matter most when life is hard.
They give you hope.
Now, let's connect this to learning English.
Great idea.
You can practice gratitude for your English journey.
How?
I'm grateful I can learn English.
I'm thankful for teachers who help me.
I appreciate every new word I learn.
I'm grateful for mistakes. They help me improve.
I'm thankful for this opportunity to grow.
Gratitude makes learning more enjoyable.
It reduces frustration.
You appreciate progress, not demand perfection.
Perfect. Let's review everything.
Gratitude means being thankful for what you have.
Big things and small things.
Benefits: happiness, less stress, better relationships.
Key phrases. I'm grateful for.
I appreciate.
Thank you for.
I'm thankful for.
Daily practice. 3 things before bed.
Express gratitude to others every day.
It strengthens connections.
Gratitude works even in difficult times.
Helps you cope and find hope.
Apply it to your English learning.
Now we have a challenge for you.
A gratitude challenge.
Right now, think of 3 things you're grateful for.
It can be anything.
Say them out loud if you can.
Or write them down.
Just 3 things.
This starts your gratitude practice.
Tonight before bed, think of 3 more things.
Tomorrow night, 3 more.
Make it a habit.
In 1 month, you'll feel different.
Like Aisha, like Henrik.
Gratitude is free.
It's simple.
And it's scientifically proven to help.
Start today.
Great job, everyone!
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're grateful for you.
We appreciate you listening.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Practice gratitude today.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.